Hello and welcome back to the Push the Button Celebrity Dentist. And may I say a big congratulations to you, sir, on being my first ever patient.
What?
I know. Lucky you, eh? Let's have a look at the old manual, see what it says.
Is there another dentist I could see?
Afraid not. Stuck with me. All right, let's see. Step one. Ensure teeth are clean. Well, we can do that. That's easy enough, can't we, eh?
I think it means ensure my teeth are clean.
Yes, please don't interrupt me, sir, when I'm preparing for a procedure. Very important. What it says here. Step two. Full rinse before beginning the procedure. It's easy, this dentistry lark, isn't it?
Again, I think it means ensure...
Please don't interrupt, sir. You're really beginning to get on my pip. Let's see what it says. Step three. A big lungful of gas. Well, we can do that, can't we? What now?
Nothing.
Good.